Today we will see an application of an oscillatory circuit. What it means, an oscillatory circuit, it means that the circuit will generate an oscillation without any external input. So the output are like waves, so they are like cycles. So here our blocks are arranged. What they have said is a capacitor is added to the oscillatory circuit to make slight alterations to the oscillatory circuit configuration. The circuit will be made to produce a sound like the chirps of a bird. Now we have arranged the blocks and we have put our buzzer here as shown. So let us test the circuit by turning it on. Are you able to hear the chirping?
Yes.
Okay, we will also try a variation of this circuit where instead of using an external speaker, it will come from this inbuilt speaker. So now we have assembled the blocks for the electronic bird circuit, and this time the sound will come from the speaker. Let us introduce one more component. This is a transformer. Now a transformer has coils. It has wire, insulated wire, which is wrapped around a block. So there are two sides, there are two windings. So here we are seeing from one side, these are the wires that have been wound into coils, and this is the other side. So here also there are windings, and the idea is that when current flows through this wire on one side, it will create a magnetic field, and the magnetic field will induce current in the other coil. Based on the current flowing through one of the coils, it will create a step up or step down current in the other coil. Here we can see the transformer used. Okay, let us place this. Now we can test. Turn the circuit on.